An Ethernet crossover cable is a crossover cable for Ethernet used to connect computing devices together directly. It is most often used to connect two devices of the same type, e.g. two computers, via their network interface controllers, or two switches to each other. In order to make your own network wire, you need a few things. First, Category 5E wire. Second, RJ45 connector clip. Third, RJ45 crimping tool. Fourth, wire cutter. Fifth, Ethernet cable tester.
The Ethernet cable will be constructed using standard as shown below. Cut the cable to 2 meter high and remove 5 centimeters of the cable jacket from both ends of the cable. Untwist and spread the pairs of cable. Arrange end of the cable as figure. Straighten and flatten the wires between your thumb and forefinger. Ensure the cable wires are in the correct order as the standard. Cut the cable in a straight line to within 1.25 to 1.9 centimeters from the edge of the cable jacket. If it is longer than this, the cable will be susceptible to crosstalk. Insert the wires firmly into the RJ45 connector until all wires are pushed as far as possible into the connector. Inspect the cable and ensure the right color codes are connected to the correct pin numbers and ensure that 8 wires should be pressed firmly against the end of the RJ45 connector. Place the RJ45 connector and cable into the crimper. Push 2 plungers of the crimper down on the RJ45 connector. Repeat all the step to the other end of the cable by referring figure below. Using a cable tester, test the cable.